Okay guys, here we are. We found it. We're at Ghost Road. Here's the big rock here, guys. That's where apparently the motorcycle smashed into back in 57. So we're gonna do a nice paranormal search here. We might put the spirit talker right on top of that rock and see what we can get. So yeah guys, don't mind my flashes. I just don't want to be a ghost.
So this is my brother-in-law. He never believed in spirit at all. He's the first guy to tell you, "Fuck, there's no such thing. There's no such thing as spirit." But
now he's witnessed it.
Yeah, bro. He's seen.
Well, we get some shit on the spirit talker here that you just can't explain, man.
I just showed him the back house.
Did you?
That's pretty cool, bro.
Yeah.
They want to know the channel.
And there's a trail we go to, man. That's it. Just non-stop chatter on that thing.
So we're in the back house. We're doing our spirit box, and so I don't know if you know what a spirit box is, but basically what you do is you turn it on the white noise, right, and it just scans through channels.
Okay, and then when you like slow rewind it or slow play it, you hear
we've got it now that you don't hear the white noise. You hear the spirit box. Really
yeah, we
clear.
added a few guitar pedals.
But what it does is actually it scans through the channels, right, and it picks words out of the radio stations, and the Mr. Beck one we're at, he tells us to fuck off. Clear as day. The radio don't swear, bro. So if you get told anything like that or swearing at you on a spirit box, you know it's real because the radio don't swear, man. If you get told to fuck off, it's legit.
Where's the Northern Lights supposed to be?
It's
Yeah,
the sky.
It's pretty cloudy, buddy.
Pretty cloudy. That's what we figured.
They were last night too.
Yeah, it was. Yesterday, last time was pretty. It was
Yeah,
pretty.
I missed them. They want to know the name of the YouTube channel.
Yes, please. If you guys find anything here,
Oh, it's
gonna be crazy if you guys find anything here.
it's in search of proof of paranormal.
YouTube?
Yeah, POP,
POP.
or in search of proof of paranormal.
In search of.
Like we're just new too, so you'll be watching it and you'll whatever.
Yeah,
We don't post-
we're learning ourselves, guys.
We don't
so
post anything though unless it's like
unless we get shit,
unless we
like
get
legit,
shit,
right?
mean,
Proof of
a lot
with
of,
MJ? Proof of stuff. In search of proof of paranormal with MJ shows up.
Here, look at his phone. I don't have my glasses on me.
Oh me?
Is it this? Is it this? Right.
Nah, that's not it. Well, I can't even use a fucking iPhone, bro.
Here, just send him the link.
Yeah, just send me the link. Oh, just show show it to me on your phone.
Just go on to YouTube
Oh, I got you.
and then send the link to. He'll get his phone number and just send the link. I got another one on there too. It's roadside cemeteries. We do cemetery walks.
Oh,
I don't got it on.
cemetery.
You got to do it on your phone. You're the one that's got the YouTube channel on your phone.
Oh yeah.
You hear that?
Coyotes, buddy.
Coyotes, salmon.
Okay, guys, here we are, man. We're at Ghost Road here, man, in Port Perry. Now we're gonna see if we can find he's a ghost. So the story goes that take care, guys. The story goes a guy come flying down here on his motorcycle back in I think 1957, and either hit the rock that you see in front of you that says Ghost Road on it, or hit a fence and was decapitated and his head hit the rock. So either way, we're gonna set up a spirit talker, guys, on top of that, and we're gonna see if we get some chatter on that, and we'll probably throw out some balls as well, some ghost balls, and see if we can get some maybe some one-word answers through those balls for you guys. But man, you're gonna love this tonight. I hope we're gonna get something for you guys tonight. So guys, it's chilly tonight, so I mean it's hit and miss on this on the chilly days. I feel like you get more if it's warmer. The moisture is nice, that helps them, but I feel like you get more if it's a warmer day. But anyways, we're gonna hook up this stuff here, guys, and we'll be right back. We'll get this shit going. Explain to the camera here, buddy, what the whole deal is. this road?
Yeah, guys, so we're at Ghost Road on the Mississauga Trail in Port Perry. Apparently, I think it was 1958. Apparently a motorcycle guy, a young guy, come flying down this road and not realizing the road ended when it did. So he apparently hit this rock here. Or they say he may have driven straight through, and there was a steel fence. There still is a steel fence. I'm sure it's not the same one, but he had actually had his head cut off, decapitated. So apparently, if you drive down this road and you do a U-turn at the end, come back halfway down, flash your lights. So you flash your lights at the end of the road and then drive back halfway down and shut off all your lights, and apparently you see the lights of a motorcycle. And other people have claimed to hear children laughing, somebody shadow of a man. So here, man, we're gonna try all the stuff. We're gonna try a spirit box session on this rock right now, and then after that we will drive down the road, do our U-turn, and do more of a spirit session in the truck or something. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
I like it when you run into people like that. So guys, I'm gonna bring this forward, man. We're already getting talk on this spirit talker, guys. So is there anybody here with us today? Can you tell us your name? Well, you see that, guys, and it just stopped. All of a sudden, it just stopped. We're gonna try to replace the batteries in it and see what happens, but so guys, in the meantime, you can see here, you can't see a whole lot. I'm going to shine my light around. You can see kind of, it's just a field, cow field. But here, just throw them in that box, buddy. And over here's another road. So like when we finish this video tonight, guys, we're going to put proper instructions. Nobody puts proper instructions on how to get here. Like literally it's at a T intersection. So when I find out the name of this road, I will tell you. And there's some, I think, silly stuff you got to do here, they say, but we're going to do it anyways, just to see if there's anything to it. So once he gets them batteries replaced, we're going to do a bit of a session here first, and then we're going to turn the truck around. We're going to put the spirit tower in the truck, and we're going to flash our lights 3 times, drive down halfway down the road, and flash them again and shut the vehicle off. And stuff's supposed to happen, man.
I can't see.
What are you looking for?
No, I just couldn't see the power button.
Right there, the first one on the bottom. No, on the bottom, the other side. Yeah, there you go. Now hit the sweep. No, the other one.
This one?
No, the middle. Right there, yeah.
I can see.
Sorry, buddy. There, that's better. All right, guys, I think it was the batteries, man. I don't know, maybe a spirit or a ghost drained them. But we are starting to get some chatter on this, guys. Is there anybody here with us today? The man that was decapitated on his motorcycle, are you here? Sorry guys, I'm gonna get rid of these lights. I don't like these lights, they bug me. there anybody here with us today? If there's anybody with me today by this rock, how many people are here with me? I hear somebody trying to get through to us. Can you speak clearer and louder, please? Is there anybody here with us at all today? Is there a reason why you stay here? Can you tell us your name? I heard something there. So guys, I've reduced some of the white noise. I'm hoping to get some clear voices through. We know that somebody was killed at this rock. Are you here with us?
You were killed on your motorcycle. Did you try to stop and you couldn't?
Maybe there's some native spirits here as well. This is a reserve.
The people that came to your kids laughing, playing in the field.
Are there any children here? We'd love for you to talk to us. I know you don't know us, but we're friendly. We don't mean you any harm.
We're used to people coming here.
Do you want us to leave? I can hear you trying to speak to us. It's very hard to make you out though. Can you film this? I'm gonna go grab my wind thing. I think it's starting to pick up a bit. Sorry guys, I'm gonna shut this off. There's a bit of breeze here, so I'm gonna put my my muff on my phone, and then we will continue on, man. But there is some voices coming over that, guys. We can hear them. Now, it's hard to make them out right now, guys, but we will slow this video down later and see if we can't get something going on it. Help with the wind, guys. There's nothing worse than making these videos and all you get is wind. So, yeah. Yeah, it's in my pocket. Huh?
I'm gonna take a bit of a walk on the
Alright, dude. So Paul's gonna take a bit of a walk, guys.
No, not to use flashlight.
Oh, fuck's sakes.
No, I'll take a bit of a walk on
And I'm going to hang around here with the Spirit Talker guys, see if I can get anything off of it. So again, guys, after this session here, what is your name? Are you stuck here? Are you alone here? I don't know why, guys, but a lot of guys, there's a bunch of cinder blocks around here, so you really got to be careful of your footing. Shit. Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened there. These battery packs are very touchy. There seems to be a lot of garbage here too, guys. I wish that people didn't do that when you come here to visit places like this. You should leave it the way you found it. Are you alone here? Are you scared? Can you please get the energy to speak to me? You can use my energy. You can use the energy from this phone, the truck, the batteries there. We'd really like to talk to somebody that's here. The person that's talking to me, are you male or female? Are you adult or child? I thought it sounded like somebody said their name was Dylan, guys. I don't know if you heard that. Are you a child? Are you an adult male? An adult female? My name is Matt. Paul's down the road. If you want to freak him out, go touch him. Why do you still hang around here? Is there a reason you stay here? Have you been to heaven? Are you a native spirit? Are you the man that died on this rock? What is your name? Can you tell me your name? My name is Matt. Paul's over there by the truck. If you're not going to talk to us, we're not going to stick around here. We came a long ways to see you. Are you scared? You don't have to be scared of us. We're your friends. We're only here to say hey and find out why you still come here. There is some chatter on there. There's a lot of vehicles driving by, guys, so we're just trying to be careful not to get nailed. Looks like this guy's pulling over too. I don't know why. Maybe he's a fellow ghost hunter, huh? Okay. We are getting a bit of chatter. I don't know, maybe the guy thinks we're broken down or something, but I got the flashers on, guys, as you can see, so nobody hits our truck, because it is a T, and that's all we need is to get T-boned. Do you know the person in that truck that pulled up? Keep your camera running. So guys, I really do feel like I'm getting some chatter on this. It's very hard to make out. So when I get home, I'm going to listen to it closely, and I'll put on the screen what I think it says. You guys feel free to put in the comments what you think it is. You hear that, guys? Starting to chat now. Why do you stay here? What is your name? Did you die on this rock? We came a long way to talk to you. We're not going to hurt you. We don't mean you any harm. We just want you to prove to the people at home that are watching this that you exist. Did you live here? There, guys, I give it a little volume. Took some of the white noise down. I'm just going to stay quiet for a bit, guys. See what comes over this. What's that, buddy?
Don't seem to get much of it.
Well, there is stuff coming through. It's just very hard to hear. I think when we get home, we'll be able to make it out. I think there is good activity here. Hey, Paul's doubting you. Can you tell Paul that you're here? Do you hear that? There is stuff coming through, bro. Can you tell me why you're still here? What is your name? Were you the man that hit this rock in '57? Are you maybe a native spirit or ghost? How many people are here with me today? Can you tell me how many people are here? I'd love it if you'd talk to us some more. I mean, you got nothing to fear from us. We're just here to keep you company for a little while. We drove a long way to meet you, to talk to you. The least you can do is talk to us. Do you want us to leave? If you want us to leave, just say so. Maybe you want to throw some balls out, Paul? So guys, Paul's gonna grab some ghost balls out of the truck. He's gonna put a couple down. We're gonna see if we can get some, maybe some responses from them. So with those, we just we put them down. We turn them on. They light up. If something comes close to them or touches them, or if something touches them, they literally got to touch them. They should turn on. So we're hoping whatever spirits or ghosts are here with us today, that they have the energy